Gardening gloves are an essential tool for anyone who enjoys spending time in their garden. There are many products available to choose gardening gloves, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best gardening gloves from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cooljob 6 Pairs Gardening Gloves for Women Ladies. Cooljob gardening gloves for women and ladies are a great value bundle package for gardeners. The lightweight and breathable knitted base provides a comfortable fit, and the flexible rubber coating in mint green and bright red keeps hands cool and dry. The gloves are durable and versatile, perfect for weeding, planting, digging, seeding, picking, and pulling fruits and vegetables. They are machine washable and fit most women's hands. Customers love the value and quality of these gloves. Number 2. Cooljob Gardening Gloves for Men. The Cooljob gardening gloves for men are a great choice for any gardener or landscaper. Made with a breathable and comfortable polyester base in red and black, these gloves keep your hands cool and dry. The rubber-coated gloves offer superior durable protection with a non-slip grip for gardening tools in dry and wet conditions. The gloves fit snugly, providing excellent finger control, and come in medium and large sizes to fit most men. The pack includes 2 pairs of gloves in different colors, making it easy to distinguish between different purposes. These gloves are perfect for gardening, landscaping, painting, weeding, varnishing, construction, logistic, warehousing, driving, farming, general maintenance, and mechanic work. Number 3. Wells Lamont Women's Hydra-Hide Gardening Gloves. Introducing the Wells Lamont Women's Hydra-Hide Work Gloves, the perfect companion for all your gardening and work needs. These gloves are designed with water-resistant leather that keeps moisture at bay, ensuring that the leather remains soft and pliable. The 100% genuine cowhide palm provides exceptional abrasion and puncture resistance, making these gloves incredibly durable. With a cowhide leather palm and reinforced fingertips, these gloves offer increased wear, grip, and durability. The adjustable wrist ensures a customized fit, preventing dirt and debris from entering your gloves. The reinforced fingertips, made with 100% leather, further enhance the overall durability of these gloves. Experience the convenience and protection of the Wells Lamont Women's Hydra-Hide Work Gloves for all your gardening and work tasks. Number 4. WorkPro 6 Pairs Garden Gloves. The WorkPro 6 Pairs Garden Gloves are designed to provide maximum abrasion resistance and flexibility. The waffle surface is skid-proof, and the gloves are made of high-breathable and stretchable polyester for full dexterity and comfort. The Eco-Latex palm coating provides full protection for your hands, and the gloves are ideal for gardening, family tools, auto repair, mechanical operations, construction, hardware work, or other DIY works. Number 5. Hanlandy Rose Pruning Gloves for Men and Women. The Hanlandy Rose pruning gloves are made of 100% natural premium pigskin leather, providing strength, durability, and puncture resistance. The extended gauntlet cuff protects your hands and forearms from cuts and scratches, and the puncture-resistant padded palm and fingertips reinforce protection. These gloves are soft, lightweight, and breathable, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods while trimming or pruning prickly shrubs. They are an excellent gift option for gardeners.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.